What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around a 1973 Dodge Charger. So we just got it in. I'm way ahead of everybody here. We haven't decoded the motor. We do know it's a V8. We will have that information provided for you hopefully by Monday, which today is Saturday. So like I said, I'm way ahead of everything here. Getting all these cars done before we leave to go out of town. We do these videos to let you know everything that these cars need. Chips, scratches, give you undercarriage shots, open the trunk, let you check out the interiors. We do have 100 detailed pictures of every car on the car lot at maplemotors.com. I have shipping, financing available, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, all at maplemotors.com. So be sure to check that out. And every day we're posting classic American muscle cars right here on the channel. So hit that subscribe button. And definitely look for the test drives, because I'm going to be doing a test drive of this one right after this video. We're going to get started here up front. So looking around the front end, as you can tell, it's about 20 degrees here, and we got some water froze on the grill. But for the most part, it's in decent shape. It does have some little pitting spots on it, as you can tell. We're going to go down the lower portion of the car and come back midsection, hit the top. So lower portion here. See, the paint's a little weak. You got a lot of little dents and scratches, touch-up marks. There's a dent there coming over the fender here. There's a big scratch right there in the middle, down in the lower portion here. It's got some thin paint, a couple chips right there in the corner of the door, up over the rear. There's a ding right there in the back. Lots of chips and scratches back here by the rear tire. Coming back to midsection, you can see some more chips and scratches. Paint's weak on this car. A couple dings in the middle of the door there. And right here. See on the edge, all the little chips. Couple touch-up marks there. Down the top section here. Front windshield's in good shape. Trim's got a couple scuffs, but for the most part looks good. Checking over the top here. Spitting snow again. That's always fun. Spots back there. Back bumpers oxidized, you can see up close. Got pitting on it. Dual exhaust out the back. Checking the trunk out. Weather stripping seems decent. Extra parts we throw in with the cars. Whatever was left in here, we don't take it out, keep it, we just leave them. We don't have nowhere to store that stuff. That mat's falling apart, but the trunk seems solid underneath that mat. Checking the package tray out. Looks decent. Trunk lid, same thing, light still works. Coming down with this, fairly easy to shut. Huge, I mean huge trunk. Do got chips and scratches all over the paint job. We're gonna head down this side, do the same thing. Let's go down the lower portion first. A big crease in the back panel here. Lots of road chips coming up over the fender well here. Got some touch-up marks. Scratch in the middle of the car. Coming down the lower portion. Weak paint. I haven't seen a lot of rust though. No big major bubbles popping through. Just Mainly thin paint and dents is what I've noticed on this car. You see some of it all around. Coming back to midsection, a little bit of surface rust popping up here, but it's not a big bubble or anything bulging out. So, and this car's been painted a while. Midsection's got a few touch-up marks. Scratch there, I already went over that one. Paint touch-ups right there. Top there looks great. Your mirror's got oxidation on it. Okay, made it all the way around this ride. Now we're gonna check out the interior, get her started up, and I'll get you some undercarriage shots. I'll also be doing a test drive coming up shortly right after this video. You can watch the test drive by typing in the year, model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can do that with any of our cars here at the lot. Interior's cream. Call that a cream. Checking out the headliner. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we play on the channel. Handle's been pulled a lot. You see it's been shut a lot. It's stretched out. Door panel's a bit faded, older. Weather stripping looks decent around it. Checking the bottom of the door. Looks solid. Jam, same thing. Looks solid, a little thin on the paint there. Carpet's not in bad shape. It is older, but it's not bad looking. Let's get in here. We got to cut the buzzer off. I guess we got to shut the door to cut the buzzer off. There we go. Check it across the dash. In good shape. Console looks great. This car really is in good shape. Radio. Oh yeah. Show you the mileage. Can't stand behind it because of the year. We'll go ahead and turn the lights on so I don't forget. Windshield wipers are working. Go ahead and turn the turn signal on and leave it on. You can see it popping up on the dash on both sides. Blower motor is working. I don't know if the AC is working. It's very cold outside. It's hard to check that when it's this cold. Well, gas gauge is up, oil pressure's up. Looks like the majority of our gauges are working. We're gonna leave it running. She's still cold right now. Well, let's try this horn first. You ready? I'm trying them all. I'm not hearing any honking. I thought for sure this one would work. Well, say no horn, guys. She's still warming up. We'll let her sit here and run a little while before I do the test drive. Lights, turn signals. Working up under there. Let's hit that other turn signal and check it. We'll go back to the other side of that motor. Working. And working, all the lights are working. Good thing thing is, AC compressor's all there. Looks like it's all hooked up. Horn's hooked up too, on both sides. I don't know why it's not honking. Hood's coming down nice and easy. Okay, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna look all the way around this car up underneath, and then on test drive, I'm gonna light up the undercarriage with a spotlight. So be sure to watch the test drive. Let's look under this one. Okay guys, I appreciate you watching. Jump on over to maplemotors.com for financing, shipping, all of our inventory, which is updated every Monday. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and just in general, classic American muscle cars. So if you hit that subscribe button, hit that like and share, I'd really appreciate it. That helps us out greatly. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. We're about to go on a test drive, so be sure to look for that.